Today I'm going to do a short video to discuss the pump I use when cleaning my equipment. Tomorrow's a brew day, and so I like to go through and make sure everything is as clean as possible. So what you're going to see is I'll go ahead and I'll clean the conical fermenter here. I'll be doing that through use of the Clean in Place spray ball. I can also then take the same spray ball and place it in my kettles if it's needed over there. And lastly, you'll see me go ahead and clean my plate chiller down below there, because that really can be the Achilles heel of any system. I want to make sure it's super clean. So let me grab the camera, I'll start the processes, I'll show you the plate chiller and the fermenter, and we'll call it good. Here's the setup for the fermenter. Basically the bucket below the fermenter is full of hot water with PBW in it. I've got the racking port just connected to a hose, so that'll drain back down in the bucket. The bottom 90 degree is also taken off, so it flows really quick and easy. I've already soaked those other pieces separately in a bucket of PBW, so they're already clean. And now we'll just click this on and get the fermenter going. Here we are. I'll let it run this way for about 20 minutes. Now you can see that I've moved the hoses over to connect to the plate chiller there on the left. Basically just going to run it backwards against the normal flow that I used during the transfer during the brewing day to try to effectively clean it out as good as possible. Now keep in mind, I've already cleaned both of these items on the previous brew day, but I'd like to do it again now just to make sure everything's pristine before I start the next brew. Let's turn it on. We'll let this one run for about 20 minutes. Oh, by the way too, the rinse water is already heated up. It's pretty hot. It's about 140 degrees. Once I finish the wash of the plate chiller there, I'll repeat the same process using the hot, clean rinse water, and I'll be all done. Here we go. We're looking good. So there you have it. By using some equipment like this, it makes the cleaning process so much easier. Set it up, turn it on, let it run for 20 minutes or so, and move on to the next piece. Before you know it, you're done. I hope this helps you. Feel free to ask any questions, and we will catch up with you later. Take care.